Hi students, welcome to Evershine Coaching Center. I am Shah Faisal here. Dear students, today I am going to give you the very important update regarding class 12, that is second PUC, for the paper biology as per the reduced syllabus for the current year 2020-21. Children, the Department of Pre-University has released the model question papers for class 12 students of Karnataka board. Okay, so today we are going to show you the questions, which are the questions and how will be the questions will be asked for you for the upcoming board exam. So I request you all to go with each and every question from this and also start answering for these questions, and related to these chapters follow the questions. Okay, practice as much as possible maximum number of questions, and also have a very good writing practice so that you can score a very good marks in your upcoming board exam. So let's begin without wasting much time. Let's start. See children, the total time duration will be for your exam will be 3 hours 15 minutes and the total marks will be 70. And some general instructions has been given. You can just read up these all instructions, and now we can show. I am going to show you part A, that is answer the following questions in one word or in one sentence each. So you need to answer all the questions. It is compulsory, that is 10 into 1 is equals to 10. And next, coming back to part B, you need to answer any 5 questions from this. Each carries 2 marks, then total is 10 marks. And next, coming back to part C, you can see here. So this is the section of part C. 5 into 3, that is equals to 15. You need to answer any 5. Each carries 3 marks. And next, coming back to part D, 4 into 5 is equals to 20. You need to answer any 4. Each carries 5 marks. And then coming to section 2, you need to answer any 3 questions. Each carries 5. So this is the end of your model paper number 1. And next we are going to show you the model paper number 2. This is model question paper number 2 for second year PUC biology. This is part A. And then this is part B questions, as you can see here on the screen. And then this is part C. This is part D, section 1. Part D, section 2. This is the end of your model paper number 2. Now we are going to show you model paper number 3. Children, one important update for you all. Still, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel Evershine Coaching Groups, subscribe and click the bell icon for all, so that you can find instant notification and updates from our end. And also we are going to release very important questions for your upcoming board exam for class 10th and even for class 12th board exam students. Right? Yes children. And share this video as much as possible to all friends, and keep this video title if you are going to keep as your WhatsApp status, so everyone will get to know who all are in your contact list, and pass this information even in your groups. And this is model question paper number 3 for second year PUC biology Karnataka State Board students. This is part A. This is part B. This is part C. This is part D. Part D section 1 and part D section number 2. So that this is the end of your model question paper number 3. I hope children you all have got the important points and even the instructions which has been given here. I hope you all can do the best. Wish you all the best of luck. Do you crack your exam with a very beautiful marks. We also pray for you all. Right? If you like this video, click the like button and comment below how was this class and how was this session and how all our videos, etc. Right? Good childrens. Okay, and still if you are not subscribed, once again I am repeating this, subscribe to our YouTube channel Evershine Coaching Groups and click the bell icon and select all so that you can find us everywhere. Right? Thank you children for watching this video. Keep watching. Take care. Bye bye.